But you know, when we look into O News 18, the one we just received now, Ash made a statement. He said the doors are open, the energy is building, and the future is bright. I'll just put it summarize, is bright. He said one step, one moment, and one victory at a time. One step. So we are moving step by step, gradually, you know, and it is one victory. It is not separate victory. That's why I made the statement here. I said, it doesn't matter if you are first or you are last. We all have one victory. That's why I call it victory with. It didn't say victory for Ash. He didn't say victory alone. He said victory with Ash. The moment you come in, you are glued to Ash. And whatever victory that happened is collective victory. It is not a single victory. That is why those who have come in, you are not hearing my team, my this, except some people use crazy names now. Sometimes I'm shocked. The old is gone. Wipe your brain. The moment you come in, it is circle. We are all one, the same level, the same platform, one victory with one man, Mr. Ashton. So there are certain names that, honestly, in certain communities which I've watched, my downline, my upline, my sightline, my this, please forget about that name. It doesn't exist again where we are going. It is one victory with one man, victory with Ash. We are glued with Ash because his success is our success. Our success is his success. Our performance will reveal. His performance will trigger down to all of us. We are one together, the same victory. But the only things that you need to think, are you ready to come in if the door is open? Because this door will not stay long. The company is about customers. It's about customers. Ash can bring the numbers, but we have to provide the quality. He is looking for quality from us because that number, he can bring it. I will share something here that will, maybe people will go back, sleep about it. When IT company build their software, they provide value. Most people look for value. When we use TikTok, we look for value because TikTok is providing that value. Ask yourself, what are you gaining? You are getting the value. That's why you are glued. You are getting the value of WhatsApp, of whatever you are using, social media platform. I want to go to the common platform. Organization also look for what they can use to better their business. Some of the products, some of us don't even know. But when you are a major organization, human resource software, all of those, they look for value. They are not going there because the company will give them anything. No. They go there because they know this software will provide the value to enhance their company, to grow and optimize profit. That's what they look for. So those people Ash can bring. Hundreds and billions of them, Ash can bring it. But what Ash needs from those who are listening is quality. That's it. That's why I said the numbers, Ash can bring it if he wants to. He doesn't need us. He doesn't need me, Peter Rogers here, Chris Johnson, or call all the names you know. Ash doesn't need us because he can bring all of us back to pay for that product. Like Andy, you are paying for this. Tell me, are you getting any money in your pocket? No. You go because the value you are getting. We are sitting here talking. That's the value. If you don't pay, they will shut us down. You will never have this platform again. That's what I'm saying for all of us who are looking for something fresh and new to start to think about this. IT company don't need all of us. Because whether you like it or not, you'll use it one way or the other. But what Ash needs from us is our commitment, our loyalty, our humbleness, our respect, our collaboration, feel for each other, help each other. That's what he needs. He doesn't need anything from us anymore, because none of us can pay for any IT product. You pay for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. If you cannot pay, they'll shut you down. But he is bringing us to share in this big, bold, beautiful shared dream. If only you make that decision to come in before they shut that door. That's what I want to say. That's why he said, one step, one moment, one victory at a time. There is only one victory. There's no two victory. And that victory is victory with Ash.